Hi guys, my name is Joao Gabriel Rocha. I am with my brother here for show one position, submission from the back. Okay, let's go. Okay. Here have a lot of variation. Everybody know that, but I want show one position. The probably you don't know, okay? Because almost guys don't use, okay? But this is so good. I use this. You check my name in YouTube or something like that. For sure, you see this. I use this position and you see this position in one tournament. Okay, let's go. The first thing I need grip. His lapel. All right, and the second one. Almost guys, grip deep too, here, all right, for submission him. But same times, he used his hand and broke my my grip here. Do this, better, so good. Yes. And now it's so hard. I walk in my hand here for more, little bit more deep. All right, but it's no hard. I come down, okay, and grip here, okay. This is no hard. It's hard up, but no hard down, okay. And now I move my hip little bit and put him down and pass this lapel for my foot, okay? And now I just imagine that you in the one race and that you want your car more fast, you know what I mean? And just do this. Okay, sorry. Okay? One more time. Remember that your leg is really more strong than your arms, okay? Because this position is so strong. Grip here, okay. The other one, I want grip deep, but him broke. I come down, okay, and grip his lapel, okay. I put him later down and pass my foot over lapel and finish the position. Okay? One more time, but more quick, okay? Let's go. Okay. Hey guys, just be careful that you use this in the training and because you don't want to hurt your partner, okay? Os.